Imagine waking up to a view of Earth from space, the vast blue planet with its swirling clouds and endless oceans right outside your window. When will this dream become a reality? The countdown has already begun. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars. Ancient astronomers mapped the heavens, dreaming of what lay beyond. We have longed to explore the cosmos. Modern telescopes have brought the stars closer, but our desire to reach them has only grown stronger. Now we stand on the brink of a new era. An era where space travel is not just for astronauts, but for everyone. Space tourism is no longer a fantasy. Companies are already planning trips for civilians. It is rapidly becoming an achievable goal. Imagine experiencing zero gravity, floating effortlessly. The allure of space travel has always captivated us. From children dreaming of becoming astronauts to adults marveling at rocket launches, the idea of leaving Earth's atmosphere, venturing into the unknown, it's a journey that promises adventure and discovery. It sparks a sense of wonder and excitement, a feeling that anything is possible. Today, this dream is closer than ever before. Spacecraft are being designed to take tourists to new heights. We are witnessing a new dawn for travel. A dawn where the boundaries of our world are expanding. A dawn where the destination is not a city or a country. It's the vast expanse of space. It is the cosmos itself, a place of infinite possibilities and endless exploration. The development of space hotels is a testament to human ingenuity. Engineers and scientists are turning science fiction into reality. These orbiting stations promise a unique experience. Imagine floating in microgravity, feeling the freedom of weightlessness, gazing at the Earth below, seeing our planet from a perspective few have ever witnessed. It's an experience that will redefine what it means to travel. A journey that will change our understanding of the world and our place in the universe. Space hotels are no longer a figment of science fiction. They are becoming a part of our near future. They are rapidly becoming a tangible reality, with construction already underway. Companies like Orbital Assembly and SpaceX are at the forefront of this exciting frontier, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. They are actively developing ambitious plans to make space tourism accessible to the masses, not just the elite. These visionary companies envision space hotels as much more than just accommodation. They see them as destinations in their own right. They're being designed as luxurious destinations, offering unparalleled comfort and unique experiences. Imagine gourmet dining with breathtaking views of our planet from space. Imagine recreational activities in microgravity, where the rules of physics are entirely different. These hotels aim to offer an unparalleled experience, combining luxury with the awe of space. Orbital Assembly, for instance, is developing the Voyager station, a marvel of engineering. This ambitious project aims to create a rotating space station. It will simulate gravity, making long-term stays more comfortable. This will allow guests to move around more naturally, enhancing their overall experience. SpaceX, on the other hand, is leveraging its Starship program to revolutionize space travel. Their goal is to transport passengers to orbit efficiently and safely. This will pave the way for more affordable space travel, making it possible for more people to experience the wonders of space. The dream of space hotels is fueled by remarkable advancements in space technology, which have been progressing at an unprecedented pace. Reusable rockets developed by companies like SpaceX have dramatically reduced the cost of space travel, making it more accessible than ever before. This is a crucial step towards making space tourism commercially viable, opening up new possibilities for exploration and leisure. Private companies are now routinely sending astronauts to the International Space Station, showcasing their growing expertise and reliability. This demonstrates the growing capability of private spaceflight, which is no longer just a dream, but a reality. These missions are not just about scientific research. They are also about paving the way for future commercial endeavors. They are laying the groundwork for future commercial space ventures, including the ambitious concept of space hotels. The first space hotels are projected to launch within the next decade, offering a unique experience for adventurous travelers. While initial costs are expected to be high, they are projected to become more affordable over time, as technology improves and economies of scale are achieved. As technology advances and competition increases, space tourism may eventually become accessible to a wider range of travelers, making the dream of space vacations a reality for many. Section 4. Overcoming the hurdles, challenges on the path to orbit. While the dream of space hotels is exhilarating, there are significant challenges to overcome. Cost is a major hurdle. Building and launching a space hotel requires immense financial investment. Making these ventures profitable will require attracting a large enough customer base. Safety is paramount. Space travel inherently involves risks. Ensuring the safety of guests in the harsh environment of space is a complex engineering challenge. It will require rigorous testing and stringent safety protocols. The environmental impact of space tourism is another concern. Rocket launches release pollutants into the atmosphere. As space tourism grows, minimizing its environmental footprint will be crucial. This will require the development of sustainable launch technologies and responsible space traffic management. Section 5. A future amongst the stars. Despite these challenges, the future of space hotels is bright with promise. As technology advances and costs decrease, orbital vacations could become as common as cruises. Imagine a future where families embark on week-long journeys to space hotels. Imagine students experiencing the wonders of space firsthand on educational trips. Imagine couples celebrating their anniversary with a romantic getaway orbiting the Earth. The possibilities are as vast as space itself. The development of space hotels is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore the unknown. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the wonders of space are no longer limited to a select few. Section 6. Conclusion. Your invitation to space. The prospect of space hotels is not just about luxury travel, it's about expanding our horizons. It's about pushing the boundaries of human achievement. It's about inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Would you stay in a space hotel? The answer perhaps lies in the stars themselves.